Hi, what's your name?
My name is Derek.
Derek, how do you feel about Dr. Murray being on trial for Michael Jackson's death?
Well, I feel the whole situation is sad, but at the same time, I think he's just an scapegoat. I think it's somebody else that's bigger than him that's really behind the whole death of Michael Jackson.
Hi, what's your name?
Nikki.
Nikki, how do you feel about Dr. Murray being on trial for the death of Michael Jackson?
I think that he definitely deserves to be on trial because regardless, he was his doctor and he was giving him those drugs. Even if Michael Jackson may have been asking for them, being a doctor, you should know how much to prescribe someone some drugs and if it's going to kill them or not. So I think he definitely played a part in his death and he definitely needs to be on trial.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Nick. I'm from Chicago.
Nick, how do you feel about Dr. Murray being on trial for Michael Jackson's death?
I don't know how I feel about it, but I think it'll be a tough case to prove because they need to prove that he specifically gave the medication, that he administered it. So there's a lot of stuff to think about, whether Michael did it himself, whether the doctor did it, but they need that smoking gun necessarily. So I've heard this might be the Casey Anthony case of the next couple months. So it'll definitely be something to watch.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name's Elliot.
Elliot, how do you feel about Dr. Murray being on trial for Michael Jackson's death?
Well, I understand why he's on trial. I mean, it's kind of along the same lines as how what's that guy's name? Like Dr. Kevorkian was helping other people like that didn't want to live anymore, like assisted suicide type of thing. I know they're not the same type of cases, but if they're going to treat the one doctor one way, they should treat it should be treated equal as far as how it is with the cases. I understand Michael Jackson had some kind of addiction to pills or something of that nature or whatever, but if they were going to treat him the same way, they ought to treat this doctor the same way too.
Hi, my name is Sheena Bowers, and I feel as if Dr. Murray should actually be on trial, not because I'm just a Michael Jackson fan, which I definitely love him, and was very sad that he did pass away, but I feel like him being a doctor, he should have known better, and a lot of people are saying that Michael Jackson is at fault, which is to some extent true, but he's a doctor. He's supposed to have a different stance than Michael. He's supposed to be over him and there to help him. That's what doctors are for. So I feel like he should definitely be on trial.